I'm Dom. I hit the mic. Hi, I'm Dom, and welcome to my channel, The Metal Muse, where I react to and discuss all things metal. Now today, continuing the Nightwish journey, I think we just did week fantasy, so that means now we're doing 7 days of the wolves, or 7 days to the wolves, or 7 wolves to the day. 7 days to the wolf, that's it, that's the one. Sorry, you have to forgive me, a little bit tongue-tied. So I am super excited to try this one because the last one I wasn't vibing so much with it, but I'm sure they're going to pull me back in because Nightwish is basically awesome, so they never disappoint. So without further ado, on to the reaction. Can we take a moment just to pause? See those guys handing out the water? You all are the MVP, most valuable player, because honestly, I've been at that barrier where literally you guys are like the hand of God coming down with libations. So we have to have a pause because this is one thing I see with Nightwish a lot, and I'm noticing is they have these pauses, these moments where it absolutely shifts up and completely changes, and I love that. I love that about it. I love being quite surprised. I love that smile. He knows he's nailing it in that moment. He just knows. I love it. Another one of these little surprises. What's gonna happen next?
Where will we be when they come? 7 days to the poison and a place in heaven. Time growing near as they come to take us.
Sorry, I have to pause, but like they're doing it again. They're doing it again. They keep changing. Like you can't. It's not like their songs are not predictable. That's all I'll say. Like, yeah. I'm befuddled.
Heroes, cowards, heroes, cowards,
Damn. Oof. Well, I think that song was quite a roller coaster. Like there was so many. When I say roller coaster, I don't mean like it took you the full gamut of your gamut, whatever's. You know what I'm trying to say? It didn't take you through your whole range of your emotions. It was more like you were like going, up a huge hill, and then you think you're going down to go up again, but you're actually going into a loop-de-loop, and you're kind of getting twisted left, right, and center, and you don't really know where the next dip is coming from or the next high. So that's one thing I really liked about this song. Like, I think seeing this is one of those songs that you see live. I think listening to it on your headphones or just like, I don't know, to me that song wouldn't move me, but I think hearing that live, seeing that performed live with the way the emotions were on that, I mean, God, did you see Floor like shouting down into the camera like a Valkyrie from Valhalla? I mean, my goodness, that song was intense. Like, so I'm saying this is not a listen to on your headphone song. This is a go see Nightwish live song, because gosh darn, I loved it. I loved that song. Just the power and the intensity. Like I said though, as much as I loved it, it's not one I would probably listen to on the train or like my commute, but it's certainly something, if they played that live, I'd be elbowing and jostling and surfing my way to the front, because that was just powerful. It was a very visceral performance and I really enjoyed it. And I liked hearing, I wouldn't call it a scream or a growl, but Floor basically shouting into the camera, and I loved it. I loved every second of that. So yeah, and the guitar man, he was just nailing it. Like, yassa, like so good. Anyway, I think I'm on a roll. I think I'm gonna go on to the next song, which is The Poet and the Pendulum, or The Pendulum and the Poet and the Pendulum. Sorry, my brain is not braining today. No braining. And that one has been one that people have said in the comments a lot. They're like, when are you going to do this? When are you going to get to that? And I was like, well, it's on the Wembley list. So rather than jump the gun and go like watch the official video, which I'm assuming there is one, I was like, I'll wait to see it live first, then see the video. So yes, this one I'm really excited about, and think I might go get like a little drink of water and get psyched up and get myself ready for it, because it's going to be good. Anyway, I'm rambling, and you know I'm rambling, so I'm just going to wrap it up right here. So until next time, you stay classy.